Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The time it takes to get to Mars varies, as of course, it's not a straightforward journey. It took the Perseverance around 7 months to get to Mars. Past missions to Mars, including flybys, have varied in time, taking between 128 days and around 330 days to make the journey.
Let's help you make your mark.
Alyssa Carson. At just 3 years old, Alyssa Carson knew she wanted to be an astronaut, and since then, she's worked tirelessly. Carson could soon become the first human to set foot on Mars, even if it means never returning back to Earth. 26 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.